Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn the second problem on projection of point. So again we are going to repeat the same command. Limits 0, 0, 15, 10, grid, enter, 0.25 spacing, Z enter, A enter, snap, 0.25 spacing, right, PD mode, 3, PD size 0.1, right, then the text, so I have to write down from here, and height will be 0.2, right, 0.2, and the angle will be 0. So you can see here now it is linking. So here I can type the problem statement. A point A is resting in or on. So from these three, basically anyone will be in the examination. Is resting in on, and on HP and 100 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection. So this problem we have to solve today. So this particular problem statement we have to solve. So as usual, we have to draw the horizontal line of any length, basically. Then press escape, right, and I have to give the command as the text first, right. So from here I need to write down the height spacing will be 0.2 and the rotation angle will be 0. So here I can get this particular thing. So here the reference line is X and Y again. So these things you have to do every time whenever you are drawing the drawings on the AutoCAD 2007, right? So this is VP, and VP will get front view. This is HP, and HP will get top, right? Now to draw the projection of light, what we need to do? We need to draw one projectors always, right? So this is the projector I am drawing, okay, and this is basically the projection line. So I am converting into a cyan color. So what problem statement say? A point is resting in on HP, means in the examination either it will be a point is resting on HP, or a point A is in HP, or a point A is on HP. So among three, anyone will be in the examinations, and you have to draw by this way. So the projection of this point A, right, so which is 100 mm in front of VP. So in the top view you will get that projections, right, which is 100 mm in front of VP. So in the top view you need to get the particular point, right. So I am selecting point which is 100 mm, means 4 spacing, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here it will be the point, right, and another point will be its front view will be on the VP, and that is also a point which will be on the XY axis, right. So this is another point. So this is the projection of light. So now let's check the dimensions, whether the dimensions are correct or not. We need to select again the dimensions, right, here, place this point and come here, place this point. Now you can see this is one AutoCAD unit, that is 100 mm, right, and here also we need to convert it into cyan color, right. Again, as we have to give the namings, right, so what you can do, you can go to the text. From here I need to write it down, right, height spacing will be 0.2 and rotation angle will be 0. So this is particular point A dash, because this is the front view, right, and this point will be A, right. So this is basically the solution for the projection of point A for this particular kind of problem statement. In the examinations you always have to write down your name, right. So for example, so you can write down here, you have to write in the examination in the right top bottom corner, right. So here I am writing my name, my section. Basically here you need to write your roll number, right. So I don't have roll number, but GHRCE, right, and section, basically section you can write it down, right. So for example, for your understanding, if I belong to this section, right, and this is basically my roll number is 1. So in this way you have to write and submit the documents. Now how to submit the document? So here you need to go to file, right? First of all you have to save it, right? So he will ask us for some drawing, right? So for example, in the desktop folder, right, on the desktop I'm saving it uh, in basically AutoCAD, right? So drawing 3, by this name I'm saving drawing 3. Okay, now you have saved this particular point. You can see, check here, it is now saved. Now we have to submit the file as bitmap file. So how to do that? You need to go to file, then click on export, right? Once you are clicking on the export, he will ask us for the bitmap. So here if it is not selected, you have to select as bitmap, right? So once you are selecting it, you have to save it. So it will take some time. So what you can do, you can again repeat the same step. Okay, so again I'm going to export, right, and here I'm selecting and renaming it drawing 3. Okay, so it will ask for the replacement. So now you can check the file is completely saved on the desktop. You can check that. So where is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is where? So here it is AutoCAD, right? And see, drawing 3 we have saved as a bitmap file. So you will get this complete figure, and this is your solutions, right, that you have to submit in the examination. That may be your CAE, right, or end semester examination. I hope you understand this particular problem, right? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.